Brädspelsbolaget Asmodee öppnar böckerna för det andra kvartalet i det brutna räkenskapsåret, och utan att passera gå ska vi direkt välkomna vd Thomas Kœgler. Good morning to you, Thomas.
Good morning.
Would you like to summarize your second quarter?
Well, it's a very strong quarter for Asmodee with over 400 million in revenue and just above 76 million in adjusted EBITDA. So we're extremely proud of what the team have achieved in the second fiscal year quarter.
Yes, the adjusted profit is positive, but the net profit is negative. What is burdening the net profit?
Well, it's fairly simple and technical. It's because we have some increase in the expected valuation of the remaining 45% of Exploding Kittens, thanks to their outstanding performance since the beginning of the year.
You state that you're building up inventory. Is it for the holiday season?
Yes, it's linked to two elements. The first one is for the holiday season, and the second one is, as you can see, the performance of trading card games year on year is growing significantly. And so we have our working capital attached to this that's growing accordingly.
The American consumer seems to not be doing too well, as we have seen in several reports from the consumer-focused companies. What are your thoughts on this?
Well, what we see is that American consumers currently are trading off between the products that they acquire. In our industry and for Asmodee, what we see is that they focus more on lower price point products. Hence, for instance, the very good performance of the Exploding Kittens product lines, whilst the higher price point products are suffering a bit more.
Have you...
But overall, what I wanted to say is that the market on board games is down in this quarter. But Asmodee is overperforming the market, so we're limiting the losses.
Have you been affected by the American tariffs this quarter?
So the effect is remaining quite limited, around €1 million, because our teams managed both to put in place some adjustments in supply chain and also the selected price increases that have not yet reached their full potential.
In Sweden, HUI Research appoints the Christmas gift of the year, and this year they appointed toys for grown-ups, a nod to the kidult trend where adults buy more toys. Is this trend something that you have noticed and benefited from?
Yes, we see that adults are buying more and more products that historically in the past were more considered for children. And it's kind of the misconception that many have on games is that games are for children. Actually, as we stated on numerous occasions, the average age of people that buy games is around 35 years old, and they are not just buying for their children, they're mainly buying for themselves.
And if we move on to Pokemon, how are you going to capitalize on Pokemon's 30th anniversary next year?
Well, it's not up to us to reveal what the plans are for the Pokemon company. It's them who are managing this. But what we know from history and from past anniversaries is that they are extremely good at creating exciting products and consumer engagement around their anniversary campaigns. And we will be their best possible partner next year for that.
Thank you, Thomas. Och tack till dig som har tittat. Mer ekonominyheter väntar under dagen, och vid klockan 8:55 drar Börsfrukost igång. Missa inte det.